So in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up with Selar. As we are now getting the extended license of our web app, we are going to connect the payment method with Selar.co. Selar is a company that will help us to collect payment from different currency. So for you to sign up with Selar, use your email that you created. In the other video I show you how you can create email using the name of your software, the name of your web app I sent you. So as you use and create the email, separate this email. Don't use your personal email to sign up with Selar, so that you may have other things that you'll be receiving email from different things, different online platform. So you are going to use your email that you create using the name of your web app which I sent to you. So what you are going to do is now you locate your browser, any type of browser you are using. Selar.co you can access through your laptop, through your Android phone, any device at all, as far as it's connected with the internet. So what you are going to do now, I'm using Chrome browser, so I will launch my Chrome browser. As you can see, then I will enter the search bar here. Then I will search Selar.co. Selar.co. I will drop the link in the description of this video. Selar.co. Then I will click on enter. So when you click on enter, you are going to land on the page. This is Selar.co. So as you can see, this is Selar.co. This is their website. If you are using laptop, you can still see a slight different, and if you turn your system to a desktop mode, you can still access the Selar.co website. So as you land on Selar.co, what you do is click on start selling with Selar. This button here, start selling with Selar, click on that. So when you click on that, they will ask you to create your Selar account. So here you are going to enter the name. You will enter your name. So let's say your name is John. Enter your full name, because this full name they are going to use. John Adebayo. Enter the full name. So here you are going to enter the email you use for your software. So make sure that you enter the email here. So here I will enter DD Abstract to sign up with Selar.co. So I will enter the password. So I'm going to skip where I will enter the password. Once I enter the password finish, I will come back. But before I will skip to enter the password. They are saying you should enter the password must contain 8 characters and must contain letters and must contain a number. So I'm going to enter the password now. So when you finish entering the password, you can see everything here is tick. So this button here is tick. So you are going to tick on this box here to agree with the terms and policy. Then click on create account. When you click on create account, they will say you need to update your gender. So here you can put your gender. Then date of birth. Put your main date of birth. Don't lie here. Then click on save. So when you click on save, they will ask you this question, but all these things you can say them later. They ask you, how do you plan to use Selar.co? And they say, don't worry, you can switch between the profile. So I will explain how everything works here. So here is, I am a creator. I want to sell my product. So if you choose this one, I'm going to show you a dashboard. So if you choose as an affiliate, some people on Selar.co, they sign up as an affiliate, some they sign up as a customer. So customer are those people are just coming to buy. Affiliate are those people are coming there to promote other people's product. and the creators, those people that are creating the product. But don't worry, when you choose any of these, they can give you access where you can switch between the two. So I will choose on this first one, creator. Then I will click on continue as a creator. So after that, they are going to send you a link to your email. So you are going to open your email and click on that email to verify. You can see here they say your email address is not verified. Check your email box to verify your email. So let's go to my email and verify click on the link. They will send me my email to verify my email account. Then I will come back here. So when you log into your account and click on the email, this is how what they are going to show you. You see email verified successful. So now you can start listing your product on selar.co. So but this is where I'm going to end this video. In the next video I will show you how you can customize your selar.co account, add payment, and show you other things that you need.